Buenos días, estudiantes. Hoy es el 8 de abril y es miércoles y miércoles. Ok, clase. Primero un poco en inglés. First of all, I want to tell you I am so proud of the work you're doing already. Basically, we have almost all of our students connecting, getting the activities done, engaging with me, and doing the work accurately. Make sure you spend your time with the accents and the spelling. Make sure to avoid Google Translate and use the text directly that we're working with so that you can really challenge yourself in Espanol. I'm going to go through today's activity so you know exactly what we're doing. So here we are. The video obviously is not in here yet because I'm making it right now, but you'll be first always checking the morning video to see what the expectations are for the day. I want you to know Senor Andia is in Chile. He had to go back in a hurry. When we were still in the building preparing for Q4, we were informed that his program is ending, and Juan Carlos from Colombia and Senor Andia each respectively took off to their own homes in Colombia y Senor Andia in Chile. He is doing well. He is healthy. His family is doing well. He misses us all tremendously. And I thought it would be really cool if each of us could record a video. So if you see here, periodo 3, Flipgrid activity, periodo 4, Flipgrid activity. And in that activity, I have 3 different prompts you could respond to. So just take a look at that. Just any recording of a nice message to Senor Andia would be really appreciated. And I have 3 different prompts if you need some help in doing that. I also started the activity with my own video and instructions. So please look at my video first before responding and posting your own. He will just love to see responses from over 50 8th graders. Do your best to try this in Espanol. Okay, the número 3, you are also going to check out this awesome meme, porque hoy es miércoles. ¿Qué dice el gato? Hola, soy tu nuevo jefe. What does the cat say? The first person to tell me what the cat says gets 1 free day of no tarea, so you don't need to do your post. Email me at linda.jones@svps.org, linda.jones@svps.org. The correct answer to this question. Do not use Google Translate. Número 4. Hoy es música miércoles. Mira el video documental antes de responder a las preguntas. Watch the documentary before responding to the questions. All of our days are going to kind of look like this, where you have 2 questions. I want you to complete this attachment here that relates to this video here. And then you're going to put in one post the answer to 2 questions. So you're going to choose 2 different questions from this attachment. Like it says here, pregunta número 1. Choose 1 question from the attachment and answer it in Inglés o Español. I prefer Español. Do your best in Espanol. Número 2, choose another question from the attachment and answer it in Espanol. I prefer in Espanol. Of course, because there aren't many people who can help you at home with Espanol, I will accept in Inglés, but I prefer in Espanol. And then also, I really encourage you to be staying on top of vocabulario. You should have done this lunes, Monday, vocabulario número 1. Well, now this is the second day of class, so you should be vocabulario número 2 y gramática número 2. Remember, this is in tu vocabulario y en tu gramática. And I'll just go back again and show you where that is. When I click on materials, you can see vocabulario número 2 y gramática número 2. The reason why this is so critical is it offers such a great review. And as you begin to write your books, you're going to have so much here for you. And doing the daily reviews is so much better than cramming. So again, I'm wishing you the best. I'm hoping everything is going well for you. look in your trabajo diario daily work for old work. I'll eventually put Abril, 6 de Abril down here, and you'll see upcoming work as well. One thing to note that I'll have to change in this folder is that Friday are work days for you and not new class days. So just keep an eye on that. Pay attention to your Daily Connect, your foundations classes, and I'm wishing you all good health and safety. Adios, adios, estudiantes.